Hi, Matt Beyer Organizing with organizing bags. A reckoning. Has it become apparent that you have just too many bags? To be clear, I'm not talking about handbags. I'm talking about the shopping bags, gift bags, and tote bags you tend to get for free or close to it. It's no mystery why they accumulate. They're good bags. You can use them again. You're always needing a bag. You don't want to waste them. You want to be environmentally responsible. You've always got room for another bag. However, bag accumulation left unchecked can get ridiculous, and it can squander space needed for more important things. Limiting your bag accumulation is easier said than done. All the reasons I listed for keeping are pretty valid. So where do you draw the line? To make this more meaningful, what I'm about to recommend for bags can apply to all categories of things that accumulate. My recommendation is clarify the why. When you are clear on why you're keeping something, it takes you to where it should go and how much you should keep. So let's look at bags. I have identified 4 good categories of bags to keep: grocery shopping, returns and delivery, gifts, activities. Why is this important? Because it's dangerous to think that there are unlimited reasons to keep a bag, because this can lead to an unlimited number of bags. So breaking it down, what's the most number of shopping bags that you can use at one time? 14? Okay, so why do you have 40? Ask the same questions about returns, deliveries, and gifts, and get real. For me, the reality is most of my gift bags should be shaped like this. I have no use for these. As for activity bags, for what? The gym? The beach? Do you need another tote bag for the gym, or do you have a gym bag? Need a beach tote bag, or do you have a beach bag? Is it possible that the best thing this tote bag has going for it is that you got it for free? So I hope you can see that this is about more than just organizing bags. You'll keep too much stuff when you don't set realistic limitations. A couple purging tips. You can absolutely donate excess reusable shopping bags at your local food bank. Fill them with food while you're at it and double the good deed. Got an excess of plastic shopping bags? You can't recycle these individually, but you might be able to recycle them in bulk at your local supermarket. I definitely think I'll keep this one. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.